Bowling Green heads to Minnesota on a high note. Last weekend's win against Murray State, the first in 686 days. Scott Loeffler only let the guys savor it for one day. That's the rule. Win or lose, 24 hours on to the next one. Some things to be pleased about. Bowling Green ranks 12th in the nation in defensive passing efficiency. They finally established the run last week with Jason Patterson and Nick Mosley, although it didn't take much prodding on Loeffler's behalf to move on this week. Nothing sobers you up quite like looking at game film of a Big Ten opponent.
Go watch the Ohio State game. Ohio State has some pretty good football players, and Minnesota did a really good job against Ohio State stopping the run. Obviously, those backs made a few guys miss. They had some explosion plays in the pass game, but they're good. I mean, Ohio State's pretty good. It's Ohio State, and they did a great job against them. So, it's typical Big Ten football.